I'm about to make some stuffed chicken. I can't find my damn thing. I wanted to vlog it for y'all, but I just put it in here. So cook you some shrimp and set it to the side. I added some lump crab meat to this. I'm just gonna cook this just for about 1 minute more. And I'm gonna sit this to the side. Some potatoes so we can make some garlic mashed potato chicken. But I cut it like a little pocket. You're gonna stuff it from the top on in. Instead of slitting it down the sides, we're gonna stuff the inside of it. And it's just some cream cheese and white spinach mixed together. So you cook the spinach. I had some this other day, that's why it's already made. You cook the spinach. Once the spinach is done and it's cooled off, you mix the cream cheese and the shredded white cheese. Asparagus, I just seasoned it. Yes, I season my vegetables. And put some olive oil on it, and I'm gonna wrap this up, and then I'm gonna let it cook in the oven. Shrimp and the lobster tail. Crab meat is cooled down, and here go the spinach, so we're gonna mix both of them together. Now it's time to stuff these bags. These are stuffed. Let me tell you something. Use a spoon. I had a little spoon to stuff it in there so it go all the way down to push it back. But here it is. Let's go to the next step. Put some olive oil in the skillet and let that get hot on medium low. And then we'll be on to our next. Place each one in there and you're just gonna brown it on each side and take it out. This is what you want it to look like. You're just gonna brown it like this on both sides, and we're gonna remove it from the pan. Visually wrap each one. Just like that. Place butter on top and then wrap it up. Wrap it up just like this. Put it back in the oven. No, put it in the oven, not back in the oven because we never put it in there. Put it in the oven on 375 until it's all the way cooked. Yeah, I got some. Okay, I open them up. Just put a little cheese on there, let it melt. Put some cheese on my asparagus. I'm gonna make the mashed potatoes, then we about ready. Cheese, sour cream, a little splash of heavy whipping cream, seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some butter. And mix this all together. The mashed potatoes are done. I forgot to say I added Mrs. Dash in there too. Yes, that's how I season my mashed potatoes. So everything is ready. Let's put this together. Okay, I open them up. Just put a little cheese on there, let it melt. Put some cheese on my asparagus. I'm gonna make the mashed potatoes, then we about ready. Look at this. I'm about to fuck this up. I'm so fucking hungry. I just want to cut this so y'all can see. This is the inside. I'm about to fuck this food up. Look at this. Oh my God. Well, you guys, this is the finishing touch. Look at this. It looks so good and delicious. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment and share to my channel. Oh my God, let's divulge in this. This is so good. I couldn't find my mount camera, so I had to just do some stories on Instagram, do stories and put them together. But here you go, voila.